Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here today. Today we have 2 EXO marshmallow boxes, so let's get into them and we're going to eat some marshmallows. I have my last 2 EXO marshmallow boxes. You know I got behind, you know why, we won't dwell on that, but that just means that today we get to open 4 and taste 4 boxes of marshmallows. Each month you get the EXO marshmallow box. It is $29.95 and you get 2 boxes of marshmallows, or I should say 2 marshmallow treats, because one month I got a box of marshmallows and some of their oh my goodness, OMG, their nice creamy marshmallow stuff. That was delicious. And you get a bonus treat. So let's get in here and see what I've got. I, in theory, have November and December, so we will do those in order. I usually try and be really good at looking to the camera and not to the screen to make sure that I'm centered and everything. That's one of the hardest things to do when you start doing YouTube, but especially down here with my Christmas tree behind me, I find that I keep looking at the wrong thing. All right. We had good luck. The very first box I opened was our November box. So it says, "There's no place like home." And that is what that looks like. And then we will have our, what you get for your 2 marshmallows is you get the marshmallow of the month that they do each month at EXO Marshmallow. They have one in Chicago. I always want to go there. I follow them on Instagram and they always have drinks. The marshmallows look fantastic, but they're always showing drinks I wish I was drinking. And this says, "Baby, it's cold outside." And the back of this one tells us what our marshmallow of the month is and what our treat is. I haven't seen them. Oh, I haven't seen them yet. Oh, it's fallen out. What is this? Oh, our treat is adorable. What is this? This is what it came in. It looks like little baking goods. Oh my goodness. Look how stinking cute this is. It says that it is non-stick carbon steel mini bakeware 3-piece set. So this is real and usable. It's a mini loaf pan, a mini spring form. Does it really spring form? How cute would this be? Oh, and the Instant Pot. You know how you're always looking, if you have an Instant Pot, you're always looking for small things to make things in? That is so cute. Carbon steel construction, multi-layer non-stick coating, provides quick food release, oven safe up to 500 degrees. This is the cutest bonus. So we got this little rolling pin. I left this on it because I'm working with one of my husband's small knives down here and I don't want to take a chance on hurting it. But this is so cute. Looks like little Christmas tree lights. How cute is that? And then we have this mini loaf pan, and it is a real springform pan. It's the size, not even the size of my hand. How cute is this? Oh my gosh, what can I make in it? All of you people who do wonderful, fun things in the Instant Pot, what can I put in this? It is a fully functioning little springform pan. That is so cute. That may be my favorite bonus ever, because even if I don't use it a lot when I have the kids here, oh, they will love that. That is so funny that I mentioned the OMG, because this month it looks like we got 1 marshmallow and 1 OMG. So we got the, what I do with paperwork. As I sat here making this video, I said to myself, this can't be the November box. I just got it. So I went ahead and opened the other box that I have sitting here. And this box says it's the November box. So they both, I'm going to show you so you don't think I'm losing my mind, because we both know I have been losing my mind. This is the one we just opened and it says November's box right there. Can you see it? This is the one that we're going to talk about in a minute. And it says November. Can we get it? November's Mallow. So just so you know, they both say November. But I'm going to go to the mattresses, that the one that we're talking about that had this really awesome, fun, Christmassy style Christmas lights on it bonus. This is the December box. So before we go any further, I'm going on the record saying we just did December before November. The December marshmallow is hot cocoa marshmallows. Yes, we will be getting into these. I think I had one of these last year when I did the Advent box. I think we got one of those. And the paperwork says that November's Mallow, it means December, is the hot chocolate flavored marshmallow, and they suggest that it would be delicious in hot chocolate. That's like meta, a hot chocolate mallow in your hot chocolate. Consider our minds blown. These mallows taste exactly like your favorite winter warm beverage. Okay, well, let's see what this is then. Oh, no, this isn't the OMG. What is this? Gluten-free graham cracker crumbs. I mean, will they get used in my life? Probably. But for a Marshmallow Box subscription, that is an interesting choice with hot chocolate marshmallows. If it was like a s'more marshmallow or something, I would get it. Let's see what the paperwork says. Love your gluten-free graham crackers? You now get a jar of our crushed gluten-free graham cracker crumbs. Perfect for creating a delicious pie crust, topping on ice cream, or adding to cookies, and so much more. Oh, you know what? Look at that. You probably saw it. It says right up here, December. I looked at where it said what the mallow was, and it said November, but up here, yeah, it's December. Okay, well, I mean, I don't think we're going to try this because it's just the crumbs, and I'll probably choke on it, and I want to save it because since I've got it, I should go ahead and make some kind of pie that I put it in, right? Going backwards, back in the time machine, back to November, we have chocolate is like a hug from inside. Yay. I have hope that we will have chocolate then. And this is just pretty on the front. Okay. We have one. I wonder if it's their new thing. We have one marshmallow and also, is this the same jar? This looks like the exact same jar. Looks different. It's different. This one is Gourmet Double Dark. Oh, hot chocolate mix. Yes. I'm down for that. Now, because I waited a month and I have this hot chocolate and I have the hot chocolate marshmallows. So excited. So instead of our second marshmallow this month, we got the hot cocoa mix. Interesting. And our marshmallow is cinnamon roll marshmallows. So although I am doing 2 months, we still only have 2 marshmallows to try. That's not fair. Okay. For November's mallow, it says we're on a roll with November's marshmallow cinnamon roll, inspired by one of our favorite go-to cozy weather treats. These mallows have an extra fluffy texture, the perfect Sunday morning snack. Okay, let's get the hubs out here and give these things a, oh, what was my bonus? And we have our bonus. I moved this aside when I was looking to find out what month it is. This is a s'mores. Now you know they messed that up. I promise you I got the right things out of the right boxes. This is a s'mores fuzzy blanket. In my November box, I got hot cocoa. I was going to say, you know they've messed that up because they're talking about s'mores here, but in my December box, I got this, so they probably put this in the wrong box, but no, the paperwork has it right. I can't keep up with them. We got a blanket. It is a fuzzy s'mores blanket. I am not going to take this out of here. I'm going to give this to one of my girls to open, but it's going to be a big blanket with a s'more on it. That is super cute. These were good bonuses these 2 months because my girls will love, actually my girls will love both of these, but I will also love this. But this was our November bonus, this s'mores blanket, and this was our December bonus. In each one, we got a marshmallow and another treat. I just think that it's very interesting that the month they talked about s'mores, our treat was cocoa. And the month that they talked about cocoa, our treat was graham crackers. Okay, let's try the marshmallows. First, we're going to start with the November marshmallow. They said that these were, oh, it's nice and dry. I love it when they're dry. They said that this was extra fluffy. It's cinnamon roll, and they said it was extra fluffy. It smells cinnamony. I am so glad that I got my sense of taste back. You look like you don't love it. I think it's delicious. I totally get the cinnamon in this. Do you not get the cinnamon?
I get the cinnamon. I don't get... yes, I get the cinnamon. I don't think cinnamon bun. I think cinnamon. I think the cinnamon is so prevalent that I get cinnamon. I don't get cinnamon bun. That's all. Yeah.
I agree totally. I also think they were a little fluffier. They tasted a little fluffier to me. This was the best marshmallow we've had in a very long time. After having a couple of months, especially last month, where we both said we couldn't even taste the flavors that they said that they were. We were both like, yeah, it just tastes like sugar. I like it a lot. Do you not love it?
It's not my favorite.
Oh, wow.
It's okay.
I would put it in, I would put it in one of my favorites ever. I liked it that much. That is amazing. Okay, oh, these are nice, and this is what this looks like. This is the hot chocolate one. They're nice and fluffy and dry too. I wonder if they've like perfected their formula.
I like chocolate for sure.
Yeah, you can't. But it smells. It doesn't smell like a chocolate bar.
No.
It smells like hot chocolate.
Yeah, I agree.
I don't want to sway what he says. Do you not like it? Well, we've talked about this before. Chocolate isn't his favorite flavor, but I totally get it. I think this is really nice.
I get hot chocolate. You know what I think they've done?
No.
I feel like most of the flavoring now is on the outside.
You think that's why they're staying dry?
Form.
I don't disagree, because that's why I said they feel a little drier than they usually do.
Once you get past the initial taste, whatever, of chew of it, once you're into where it's mostly, I don't know, I know it's all marshmallow, but where it's more like the marshmallow part, and I don't feel like I get as much taste.
Lick the outside.
Right, yeah.
Yeah, it does totally feel like a lot of the flavor. You're right. It's probably like when they were done, maybe they rolled them or shook them through somehow. They probably have a machine that shakes them through the hot chocolate or something. I mean, it's good. Don't get me wrong. And they're right. Putting this in hot chocolate, and in the November box, we got hot chocolate. We got their hot chocolate to try. Oh. And they said make a cup of hot chocolate and float one of these. But this came in December, so if you drank it all when you got it in November. But luckily, I opened mine at the same time. Our December box, we got gluten-free graham crackers to make as a crust or something.
Yeah.
All right, so what do you think?
I mean, I like them. I like them both. I mean, neither one of them, like I said, I'm not a big chocolate person, so neither one of them are my favorites we've had, but I like them. I would eat them for sure. You know.
They're really good. There is our tasting. I loved both of these. I thought they were both, I think he's crazy. I thought they were both delicious. I will totally be making some cocoa tonight. Maybe not tonight because I just ate 2 marshmallows, but soon I will be making some cocoa and putting one of those hot cocoa marshmallows on it. The cinnamon ones, they are very strong of cinnamon. I suspect we're probably just going to eat them, and I wish I would come up with something really clever. I might try one on like one of my coffees that I put a little extra of my fat-free half and half on, and then float this on top. I think that might be nice, but I also just like eating them. So those were the November and December XO marshmallow boxes. We got a full tasting, didn't even have to move from right here in front of the Christmas tree. Thank you so much for coming by. I appreciate you taking the time to be here. I hope you're having a great holiday season, and I will see you again really soon, I hope. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out. Take care, guys.